asking for divine connection with my spirit guides, any light beings, galactic beings, cosmic beings, angels, ascended masters, scholars who wish to connect, who wish to provide a message to the group about letting go. I ask that they connect now through me as the vessel. Breathing deeply and opening up to your divine guidance. Greetings everyone, this is Master Merlin, Wizard Merlin, Sage Merlin. If you are familiar with me, you know that I am the master of magic, the master of creation, the master of insight into your enchanted being. I am here to help you understand how you can activate more of your enchanted being by releasing fear and reminding yourself that you are still a child, dear one. You are a child, able to play, able to adventure, able to create from imagination, wonder, and bliss. You have this ability. You can use this ability in any of the actions that you wish to bring forth. Manifestation is absolutely necessary. Bringing this information in requires deep relaxation and connection with the inner child. Some of you have very sad inner children, traumatized from old ways, old experiences. But this does not limit you. You see, you are limiting you. Your choices in entertaining these sadnesses, these heavier emotions, not recognizing your power, your full power to transmute this energy into bliss, into appreciation, into activation of your spiritual awareness. Dear one, you are powerful. Call on me, Master Merlin, the wizard of magic, the enchanted one, a scholar of sorts, a being of light, a blissful soul here to help assist you, support you, guide you in this journey. Dear ones, as this channel relays this message to you, I leave you with this. Your inner child is valuable. Your inner child is strong. Your inner child is resistant. And your inner child is still existent in you, despite any energy weighing it down. Your inner child is much stronger than you can fathom. I ask you now to open up to your inner child with my assistance, Master Merlin. Call on me in your meditations, dear ones. I am here. Thank you. Okay, 333 on the dot when I woke up from that channel. Master Merlin has been a big spirit guide for me in many ways, and it's really cool that he just came through. I wasn't expecting to channel this morning, but I wanted to allow for any connections from any divine beings to come through me as a vessel. And I don't channel often because it is not usually understood by most. So if you have questions about channeling or want to know more about what just happened, please message me personally or go to my YouTube channel on my link at my Readings by Rissa page, and there is some information about channeling. There's a video on there talking about I am a channel, owning my truth. You can click on that and I will probably tell you everything that I would tell you in a private message. But that was really beautiful, and that's Master Merlin. He is a very strong being of magic. He is not of any negative magic. He's about elemental earth magic. He's about bringing the elements together, using them to create from nothing. Alchemy, if you're familiar with Saint Germain, he also comes through often, and they are both alchemists by nature, and they're here to help us in enlightenment and help us connect with ourselves and our enchanted energy, just like he said, bringing forth our inner child so that we can create what we want, reminding ourselves of that innocence of the inner child, of the purity of the inner child, and releasing any energy that is resistant to that. purity that makes us feel like that inner child is not pure or is not adventurous or is not fun or safe. Because we are safe. We are able to be strong enough to overcome these experiences that we encounter that try to limit our abilities and our inner child and our characteristics that make us who we are. So I hope you enjoyed that message, and I am excited to hear your comments if you have any questions, or if you got any messages from Merlin, or if you resonated with anything else, or if any other beings came through for you if you also channel. I also encourage you to do some research on Master Merlin. He is a sage, and he has been known to be in many different tales of ancient civilizations and things like that. He's involved with the Knights at the Round Table and King Arthur as well, and a lot of elemental and forest magic and connection with animals and the earth. So if you felt any of that or saw any of that while you were listening to this channel, that's exciting too. I love you. Thank you so much for letting me be vulnerable enough to channel and comfortable enough. This is something that I'm very shy about still, and especially because I allow the energy to take over. And so thank you for allowing me to be comfortable enough to relax and let that message in. I love you, and let's get ready for the meditation for the morning. See you soon.